Today, I bring you a Rainbow Daytona from Renix. This is also customized according to customers' request. Such a top-of-the-line modified watch. For this Rainbow Daytona, it is made of platinum. In Daytona, there are platinum, gold, and rose gold. You can choose according to your own preference. This one is 1165990, a full-star Daytona. For this watch, its price in the secondary market is over $2 million, but through our modification and customization, can really help you spend less money and do more. The case of this watch, such as the upper cover, middle case, strap, and buckle, are made of genuine AU 75.018K gold. Its weight is exactly the same as the original one. Let me weigh it for you. Let's see how much the total weight of this watch is. Let me show you. The Daytona weighs 201.9 grams. 202 grams. This weight is exactly the same as the original one. It is made of real AU 75018K white gold, is customized with precious metal materials, and our Daytona, its craftsmanship, is truly developed. Developed based on the original CNC data, whether it's the shell-shape polishing, or its engravings, or the details, are all handled very well. The accessories on its surface, such as the dial, the hands, the bezel, mirror, are all customized based on the original data. These accessories for wearing, you can see that inside our dial, is fully inlaid with diamonds. See, the diamond inlay are tightly connected, and distinct. But the 3-eye timing. The process inside is a golden process. This process is in the original Rolex. Exclusive craftsmanship. In this dial, if you have seen an original watch, you will find that under different light conditions, the luster and texture are completely different. It's very shiny. See, this is the crystal process in the 3-eye timing. From the side, you can see the effect of the pointer axis can also be completely aligned with the original. Like the Rainbow Daytona, its most famous feature is this treasure ring. The gradient of its treasure ring is also very natural, and the lugs of the watch. The lugs are all inlaid with natural diamonds from South Africa, are inlaid with diamonds. You can see the diamonds are very, very large, big diamonds. See, the craftsmanship of these diamonds can be comparable to the original. This kind of inlaying process, it adopts claw setting. Like Daytona, it has a certain timing function. The 6 o'clock is the second hand, the 9 o'clock is the timing dial, and 3 o'clock is the score dial. The large needle in the middle is a large second hand for timing. It can achieve all the timing functions. Its movement is a mold 4130 integrated movement, and its thickness can reach the same thickness as the original. 12.3 mm is the surface accessories. Like its gold case, you can see that the strap and the watch head fit perfectly together. There is no gap between the strap and the watch head. In terms of details, the polishing treatment is also fully aligned. See, but for its brushed surface is also very delicate. See, including the polish treatment, including the crown of the buckle, which is very three-dimensional. The lower part is oval, and the top 5 points are separated. The chamfer of our buckle, you can see that, are all rounded and polished. See, this is all polished by our master by hand. Polished. The rounded chamfering, it can be compared with the original process. Compared with other golden factory, may not have paid attention to these details. They may not have dealt with these details. On the back of it, you can see the back of it. The engravings on the 4 corners are very clear, including the 750 mark, the scales, crown, and dog head. These engravings are all chiseled by our master. All of them. It can be compared with the original engraving process. Whether it's polished or brushed on the bottom cover, or brush treatment, is very good. See, for a Daytona like this, to put it simply, you spend money to customize such a watch. It's just buying gold from us. It's just a 180K gold watch. You can wear it for over 2 million yuan. With the same effect, our custom gold watches made of precious metals also support recycling and replacement. You can get a 20% discount within a year and 85% off for replacement. This is a 165,999 platinum Rainbow Daytona with full diamonds. Share if you like this watch. You can also contact Chanchi. If you like Chanchi's video, you can